여러분 안녕. Have you ever wanted to talk about what you do every day in Korean? Whether it's eating, walking, or watching a movie, verbs are the key to making your sentences come alive. And the best part? You don't need complicated grammar to start using them today. Let's dive in. Welcome to Learn Korean, where every lesson will help you read, speak, and think in Korean the way it's actually used. And if you want to practice these verbs with proper pronunciation, the AirLearn app is your perfect companion. It lets you listen, repeat, and practice in real time, locking in sentence rhythm and confidence. Stay with me until the end. I've prepared a fun mini quiz to test your Korean verbs. Let's start with some everyday action verbs you'll use all the time. 가다, to go. 오다, to come. 먹다, to eat. 마시다, to drink. 보다, to see or watch. 읽다, to read. 쓰다, to write. 공부하다, to study. 일하다, to work. 자다, to sleep. 필요하다, to need. 기다리다, to wait. 시작하다, to start. 끝나다, to end or finish. 배우다, to learn. 도와주다, to help. 사용하다, to use. 운전하다, to drive. 전화하다, to call. Next, let's see some actions in Korean which you do throughout the day. 자요, I sleep. 일해요, I work. 공부해요, I study. 걸어요, I walk. 먹어요, I eat. 저는 한국어를 배워요. I learn Korean. 조금만 기다려주세요. Please wait a moment. 수업이 끝났어요. The class is finished. 저는 운전해요. I drive. Alright, next up, we have verbs that describe everyday activities from morning to night. 일어나다, to wake up. 씻다, to wash. 준비하다, to get ready. 출근하다, to go to work. 퇴근하다, to get off to work. 요리하다, to cook. 청소하다, to clean. 쉬다, to rest. 운동하다, to exercise. Here are some example sentences. 저는 아침에 일어나요. I wake up in the morning. 운동하고 싶어요. I want to exercise. 오늘 집을 청소해요. I clean the house today. Even 10 minutes a day of repeating these actions in Korean will make a huge difference. Your brain begins to think in Korean automatically. Verbs in Korean change slightly depending on tense and politeness, but it's easier than it seems. Here's a simple rule. Verb stems ending in a or o adds io. All other endings add oyo. For example, 가 added with io means 가요. I go, you go. 먹 plus 어요. 먹어요. I eat. 보다 goes to 봐요. I watch. Adding the 고 있어요, present continuous. This grammar lets you say I am doing something right now. The structure is verb stem plus 고 있어요. For example, 먹고 있어요. I'm eating. 보고 있어요. I'm watching. 읽고 있어요. I'm reading. 공부하고 있어요. I'm studying. 일하고 있어요. I'm working. Short practice. 뭐 하고 있어요? What are you doing right now? 저는 한국어 공부하고 있어요. I'm studying Korean. Past tense for beginners. 뭐뭐 왔어요 or 왔어요. To talk about what you already did today, if the stem has a or o, it goes to 왔어요. If not, goes to 왔어요. For example, 가다 becomes 갔어요, means went. 먹다 becomes 먹었어요, ate. 보다 becomes 봤어요. watched. 마시다 becomes 마셨어요. drank. 자다 becomes 잤어요. slept. Here are some example sentences. 영화 봤어요. I watched the movie. 밥 먹었어요. I ate. 친구 만났어요. I met a friend. Future intentions. 뭐뭐을 거예요. To say what you're going to do, the structure is verb stem plus 을을 거예요. For example, 갈 거예요. I will go. 먹을 거예요. I will eat. 볼 거예요. I will watch. 읽을 거예요. I will read. 잘 거예요. I will sleep. For example, 저는 내일 공부할 거예요. I will study tomorrow. 친구를 만날 거예요. I will meet a friend. Just a small change at the end makes the verb polite and ready to use in conversation. Let's add a few more verbs to make your daily conversation even richer. 걷다, to walk. 뛰다, to run. 듣다, to listen. 말하다, to speak or talk. 만나다, to meet. 사다, to buy. 팔다, to sell. Here's how you use them. 저는 음악을 들어요. I listen to music. 친구를 만나요. I meet my friend. 커피를 사요. I buy coffee. See how adding just a few verbs opens up more ways to talk about your day? Now let's make simple sentences using these. With these verbs, you can already start making sentences about your daily life. 저는 학교에 가요. I go to school. 저는 아침을 먹어요. I eat breakfast. 저는 책을 읽어요. I read a book. 저는 물을 마셔요. I drink water. 저는 영화를 봐요. I watch a movie. See how adding just a few verbs opens up more ways to talk about your day? Once you can make statements, you can turn them into questions to start conversations. 어디 가요? Where are you going? 뭐 먹어요? What are you eating? 무슨 책 읽어요? What book are you reading? 뭐 마셔요? What are you drinking? 영화 봐요? Are you watching a movie? Questions like these will get people talking, and they're perfect for practice. Let's put it all together with a short conversation. 어디 가요? Where are you going? 저는 학교에 가요. I'm going to school. 뭐 먹어요? What are you eating? 저는 김치를 먹어요. I'm eating kimchi. 영화 봐요? Are you watching a movie? 네, 친구랑 영화를 봐요. Yes, I'm watching a movie with my friend. Practicing dialogues like this helps your brain remember sentence rhythm naturally, and that's how real fluency starts. Okay, now check your verb knowledge with this simple quiz. Say the polite form of 먹다, 가다, 읽다, 마시다, 보다. Learn essential Korean verbs, conjugate verbs in polite 아요, 어요 form, make simple everyday sentences, ask questions and start conversations, use daily verbs to describe routine and actions. Now open the Airline app, repeat these verbs, and practice making sentences. Soon, talking about daily life in Korean will feel natural and effortless. 참 잘했어요. Great job. See you next time.